aloha, it's Laura Palaio with Laura Palaio Total Fitness, and welcome to the office workout. My goal here is to give you some little 5-minute exercises that you can incorporate into your daily routine at work. And it's not going to require any expensive equipment, just a set of bands and some comfortable shoes. If you don't have comfortable shoes, you really don't need shoes to do this particular exercise. However, I would encourage you to wear some comfortable shoes just so you don't hurt yourself. We're going to do a lunge with a posterior fly today. We're going to be targeting these shoulder muscles here, and also your glutes and your thighs. So with that, let's get going here.
Set. Next exercise, though, we're going to go a lot lighter. It's posterior fly again, that small muscle group on the back of the shoulder. So I'm just going to use 12.5 pounds. Lately, I'd love to know what you're using. So you're using 5 pounds. That's great. That's a good range. And again, we're going to use both weights at the same time. We'll do 6 reps on the leg, 12 for the arms total. Ready? Step forward with your right leg. Now lean forward, palms face away from you. Pinkies in the lead, step back. Same leg, ready? Lunge forward, chest down, fly. I went too fast on that one. I'm going to slow it down. All right, so you got to be your own personal trainer and say, am I cheating this exercise? Am I just getting through it, or am I making it as hard as possible? That's what you need to do. Make it as tough as possible. Keep going, keep going. Life you want to make easier. Exercise you want to make it as tough as possible. Why? Because then you have to do fewer of them. Donna, this is a tough exercise, isn't it? So you've got the resistance coming from behind. You're really targeting those posterior deltoids. These bands are killer. I love the bands. Okay, now switch legs. You're still going to work with the arms. Donna, are you ready with that other leg? All right. See, you can switch very quickly with the bands. Okay, guys, here we go. Stepping forward. Posterior fly. Lead with your pinkies. Okay, here's a cue for you. Keep your shoulders down away from your ears. Make sure that you're not shrugging, because we're really not working to build up the neck muscles. We're trying to build up the back of the shoulders. And you've got to bring your chest down in order to do that. Lift. Good. Keep going. I hear someone huffing and puffing. I gotta see what's going on back here. What's going on, Janelle? I can hear you breathing. Breathe out right there. Okay, you went up a little fast on that one. You kind of jerked it up. She kind of jerked it up. I want you to bring it up smooth. So ready? Bring it up smooth for me. You can do it. Yep. And you're pretty much done. I mean, that's where I would have her stop, because she's starting to feel like she has to jerk the weight up, and you really have to feel like you've got control. If you don't, then your set is done. Now, when you're finished, which you guys are, we've got a 10-second break, and then we get extreme. This is how you break down the muscle tissue. It's doing a little bit more than you think you can do, and this is how we make a difference. Pick up the weights, guys. Let's go. Time to get extreme, baby. Bring the abs in. Lean forward, elbows up nice and high. Now, think about the muscle group that we're going to target. Posterior deltoid. Put your mind into your back. Lift. Squeeze. Now, you're strong. Tell yourself, this is piece cake. I can pull it down nice and slow. I've got total control. Lift up, lift up. Try to keep the neck relaxed. Upper back, upper back. Bring it down slowly. Come on, one more. One more, one more. Let's go. Lift. Squeeze. Bring it down slow. Woo-wee. Yeah. All right. Nice job, guys. All right.
Great job.
Wrap your weights
Awesome
up.
work.
Last
Aloha.
exercise. We're going to do